my name is Melissa. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my little mudroom here, my entryway for Halloween. I got lots of new stuff from a collection of different places. Everything has been bought mostly at Dollar Tree, Target, like all the affordable dollar sections pretty much, with a couple of exceptions. I'm also going to be adding some stuff in here that I already have from home and possibly getting some more little black plants and things to add to it as well. If you guys have seen Joann Fabrics line of Halloween stuff, it is so beautiful this year. They've got lots and lots of greenery and moss and like spooky skulls, and everything's covered in greenery. So I'm loving it, and I just kind of want to leave some of the green in here and add some natural light colored wood and some black and white pieces to it, but keep it all kind of just the same neutral color palette. So I'll show you what I got for my little haul. I also showed a lot of this in my Halloween haul. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, I have tons and tons of good stuff that I found, and I'm going to be doing a try on really shortly as well. So if you guys want to see all the cute outfits, Halloween outfits I'm going to be wearing this October, then make sure that you come back and check out my channel. But for now, let's get to decorating. Alright, so this is the room I'm going to be decorating. If you guys have seen my other video, this was the first video I ever did, was decorating these shelves in here. My son put some little ghosts out there on magnets, and it is the cutest thing ever. And we also have to get a chandelier for in here. I'm still trying to pick one out that I really love and get my husband to say yes, because I want a sparkly one and he wants a rustic one. So we got to find something in between. But for now, I'm just going to decorate this space for Halloween, and it's going to be very kind of neutral, black and white. It's kind of echoey in here because I just cleaned all of the jackets and things out that were hanging in here. So let's start decorating. Great, so this is just a little preview of everything that I got from my haul. If you want to know where everything is, check out that other video, because I said where everything was from in there, and it's from so many different stores. I don't want to make this video take forever, but this is all of like the color theme that I'm going for, and some of these things I might be painting possibly. I plan on doing some black stripes, I think, on that pumpkin, and I might paint that pumpkin too. I'm not sure. I'm definitely loving the natural wood colors though, so that one might stay, and I don't know. We'll just have to see how it goes. And all right, let's get decorating. Alright guys, that'll be all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you love it as much as I do. I think it turned out so cute. I've never done this kind of color theme before, and I'm really happy with it. So if you want to see other ones, I have my fireplace decorate with me coming up really soon. I also have a fashion, like Halloween fashion video coming out as well, and some other really fun stuff. I have a vampire tablescape and like party planning that I'm going to be doing. So if you want to see lots more fun Halloween videos, make sure that you are subscribed and like this video and share it with your friends if you really liked it. And I hope I see you in the next one, and happy spooky season. Bye.